Hello students, welcome to the next session of SST. Today I am here with the topic our festivals. So students, what are festivals? Festivals are an expressive way to celebrate glorious heritage, culture and traditions. They are meant to rejoice special moments and emotions in our lives with our loved ones. Festivals play an important role to add structure our social lives and connect us with our families and backgrounds. Why festivals are important? Life is all about happiness, and as human beings, social interaction with our fellow beings not only brings happiness but helps us grow our capacity to learn languages, ourselves with cultures, inquire, think, play, and work. Nothing brings people together like festivals do. The people of India celebrate one or the other festival almost every month. That's why India is called the land of festivals. We can group these festivals as national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. So students, first I am going to discuss with you national festivals. Festivals celebrated to mark some important national events are called national festivals. In India, we have three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These festivals are celebrated by the people all across the country. Independence Day. Students, as you know, our country got Independence Day from the British rule after a long struggle on 15th August 1947. Many people sacrificed their lives struggling for freedom of our country. To mark this event and to honor our freedom fighters, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort and addresses the nation. Republic Day is also important national festival of our country. India got its constitution on 26 January 1950 and became a republic country. This important event is celebrated as the Republic Day on 26 January every year. A grand parade is held in New Delhi from Rashtrapati Bhavan along the Rajpath. The President of India takes the salute at the parade. Many important awards are given on this day by the President. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi played an exceptional role in the freedom struggle. He made ahimsa and truthfulness his weapons for the struggle. He made the freedom struggle a mass movement. Finally, the British left India. To honor him, we celebrate his birthday 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. The President, the Prime Minister, and other ministers pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi on his Samadhi at Rajghat. Gandhiji is also called the father of the nation. Now students, I am going to discuss with you religious festivals. People of different religions live together in our country. They celebrate different religious festivals. First one is Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. It is celebrated in the month of March. People splash colored water and smear gulal on each other. A special dish called gujia is prepared on this day. Dashera or Durga Puja. Dashera is celebrated for 10 days. It marks the victory of Lord Ram over Ravana. Ram Leela is staged for 10 days. On the 10th day, huge effigies of Ravana, his brother Kumbhakaran, and his son Meghnada are burnt. The dates of Dasara coincide with Durga Puja in West Bengal and some other states. It features temple decorations, a procession carrying a colorful statue of goddess Durga to a river and immerse is as a ritual. Diwali is also called the Festival of Lights. It marks the return of Lord Ram, his wife Sita, and brother Lakshmana to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. In the evening, people worship Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. People clean their homes and decorate them with candles, lights, and earthen lamps. They also exchange gifts and sweets. Next one is Guru Parv. Guru Parva is celebrated to mark the birthdays of 10 Sikh Gurus. Huge processions are taken out and free meal is served to people from an open kitchen called langar. The Sikhs go to Gurudwaras to offer prayers on this day. Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr is the most popular festival of the Muslims. It marks the end of the holy fasting month of Ramzan. People wear new clothes and offer namaz at mosques. They wish Eid Mubarak to each other. Christmas is also an important religious festival. Christmas is a major festival of the Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate their homes with candles and Christmas trees. They sing carols and offer special prayers in the church. They also exchange gifts. Children wait for Santa Claus for gifts. Good Friday and Easter are some other important festivals of the Christians. Now students, I am going to discuss with you harvest festivals. Cutting and gathering of food crops is called harvesting. It is a time of joy. Festivals celebrated to mark these occasions are called harvest festivals. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated in the first week of Tamil month known as Thai. It is celebrated for 3 days. Sun god is worshipped during this festival. Cows are fed with Pongal rice. Onam is a harvest festival of Kerala. It is called the Festival of Flowers. Snake boat races are held during this festival. Huge processions are taken out with decorated elephants. Baisakhi. The people of Punjab celebrate Baisakhi as a harvest festival. Folk dances like Bhangra and Gidda are organized on this day. Bihu is a harvest festival of Assam. Bihu dance is the main attraction of the festival. So students, we should enjoy our festivals. We should celebrate our festivals with happiness and great enthusiasm. We should also respect the festivals of other religion to maintain harmony and peace in our country. So, thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.